can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Over the last 1 month, Solana has rallied up 18%. Over the last 1 week, Solana is up 5.9%. The altcoin market is bubbling, double-digit gains across the board. Over the last 1 month, even some altcoins are giving us triple-digit gains. Solana currently trading around $149. We've seen it get to as high as $152. The last 1 year has seen Solana even rally to as high as $298. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? It's a new all-time high possible. This is the start of a big bear market for Solana. Look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Solana's valuation against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum. And finally, guys, we'll look at Solana's market cap, which sits around $77 billion. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. We have seen great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, sentiment is neutral. But over the next few days, guys, we expect to see all coins outperforming Bitcoin. We expect to see extreme great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Solana has been one of those altcoins that have done well this cycle, from trading around $8 in November of 2022. We have seen Solana rally up to as high as $290, giving us more than a 3,200% move over the course of 2 years. But the bull run doesn't last forever. At some point in time, we'll start a bear market. At some point in time, we'll start our journey to Goblin Town. And we've seen Solana go on its first journey to the moon. We've seen it go on its first journey to Goblin Town. In its first journey to the moon, we saw Solana going from as low as $0.5, pumping to as high as $265 in a matter of 1.5 years. But guys, after that kind of explosive move, Solana had a huge dump to Goblin Town. This huge dump to Goblin Town happened in 2022 when Solana went from as high as $260, dumping to as low as $8, losing 96% of its value. FTX collapsed. A lot of people thought it was over for Solana. We had the co-founder of Ethereum tweeting support for Solana at the bottom, and all the smart players that bought Solana were rewarded eventually, because the next 2 years saw Solana rampaging back to the previous all-time highs and even setting new all-time highs on the 19th of October. On the 19th of January 2025, we saw the president of the United States launching his own meme coin on the Solana network. That proved to be the top for Solana. Right now, Solana has been dumping since January, but we are currently seeing a rally in the cryptocurrency market. We are not to get too excited. We've seen Solana first dump 64% over the last 77 days. This rally has seen Solana get back to as high as the $152 level. But guys, it's too early to be talking of a new bull market. I believe we are going to be seeing a 702 retracement. Solana could get to as high as $200 before that dump to Goblin Town begins. But right now, the higher we go, the more you sell for some sweet profit. History has shown us over time, Solana could easily have those 90% crashes. This is not the first time. It can also happen again. My theory going into this year is that we're into a bear market, and any rally we see, we are supposed to fade. Any rally we see is just going to be a relief rally before we continue our journey to Goblin Town. In the long-term view, I think we'll see Solana back trading in single digits, maybe $9, maybe $10, maybe $6. But at some point in time, in the nearest future, you wish to sell Solana for some sweet profit above $150. Right now, Solana trades around $150 with a market cap of $77 billion. The all-time high for Solana happened on the 19th of January 2025, traded for as high as $294. Right now, Solana is down 49% from that all-time high. The all-time low for Solana was when it traded for as high as $0.5. That was on the 11th of May 2020. You want to get some Solana for yourself? You can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Solana there. Solana has been doing well against Bitcoin over the years. Since when we started pumping in 2022, Solana outperformed Bitcoin. But guys, something strange is happening. Look like smart players are leaving the Solana network and they are exiting slowly and in an orderly manner. If you look at what Solana has done against Bitcoin since March of 2024, it has been going sideways. We have gone sideways for more than 330 days. Right now, I believe we have begun our journey to Goblin Town. I believe Solana will continue losing value against Bitcoin. History has shown us when the market gets bearish, Solana loses value against Bitcoin. And right now, we're seeing some early signs of bearishness in the cryptocurrency market. If you look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, similar price action. Solana has been rallying aggressively since the bottom of the market against Ethereum, pumping to new all-time highs, getting to as high as 0.085 ratio level against Ethereum. Nothing lasts forever. No good time lasts forever. No any market goes up in a straight line forever. At some point in time, we'll say dump to gobbling town, and I believe that point in time is not far off. There's a lot of bearish divergence showing on Solana's valuation against Ethereum. There's a lot of bearish divergence showing on Solana's valuation against Bitcoin. The next few days and next few weeks can be very, very crucial. Even though we might see Solana's valuation against the US dollar rally to as high as $200, let's not be shocked to see Solana start losing value against Ethereum as the market is still bearish. Sentiment might go back to extreme greed. That will be a telltale sign for you to sell for some sweet profit. You might hear talks of all season, talks of this time is different, talks that we're going to the moon. Guys, you don't want to fall for the trap. Remember, good times don't last forever in the cryptocurrency market. Your number one job is to buy when there's extreme fear and to sell when there's extreme greed. I believe with the gains we're seeing in the altcoin market over the last 1 day, the last 1 week, and the last 1 month, we might enter periods of extreme fear over the next few weeks. If you look at Solana's market cap sitting at the $77 billion level, we have seen Solana's market cap get to as high as $150 billion in this cycle. But the chart was telling us that was very, very bearish. Solana was getting to a new all-time highs, while the RSI couldn't get to a new high. Usually that's a bearish divergence. So over the next few weeks, I will expect Solana to give it a run for its money, maybe get to the $100 billion level in market cap valuation before we continue our journey to gobbling town. I believe this year is going to be very, very bearish. We're going to see one rally and then we're going to see huge dumps like we saw in 2022. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Solana right now? Do you believe this is the start of something great? Is Solana going to $300, $400, new all-time highs? How high do you think it will possibly go? If you believe we're deep in gobbling town, we're going to see a bear market after the rally. How low will Solana dump to gobbling town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.